So Yoshiko, I've been craving ramen lately, but during summer, sometimes it's just a bit too hot for ramen.
I hear you. That's why cold tantanmen noodles are such a great alternative. It's rich, creamy, a little spicy, and today I will show you an easy way to make it restaurant style at home.
Tantanmen. I've seen this mentioned on ramen restaurant menus before, but what exactly are tantanmen noodles?
Tantanmen is a Japanese ramen with savory ground meat, creamy sesame flavor soup, and spicy chili oil. It has a rich, satisfying taste of ramen, but it's actually much easier to make at home from scratch.
Oh, really?
And the best part is you can prepare the meat and soup the day before.
So when I come home, I just boil the noodles, put everything together, and dinner's ready in like 10 minutes.
Exactly.
Wow, my stomach is already sending thank you notes. Let's begin.
First, we prepare the meat mixture.
And to do so, we finally chop 1 garlic clove, a small piece of ginger, and about a 4-inch long scallion, and we also chop a small dried chili pepper.
Here, I'm using a Japanese dried chili pepper called takanotsume, but you can use any hot chili pepper you like. It gives a dish a nice spicy kick.
Right, so tiny pepper, big personality.
Exactly.
So, and then in a small pan, we add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, add the garlic, ginger, scallion, and chili pepper, and then turn to low to medium heat. And we stir fry until it's all fragrant. Then add 1/4 pound of the ground pork.
Pork is commonly used for tantanmen, but you could also use ground beef if you prefer.
So tantanmen is flexible.
Remember, cooking is just, not math.
I knew you were going to say that.
Because it's true.
It is indeed. And after the meat changes color, add 1 tablespoon of Japanese sake and continue stirring until most of the liquid evaporates. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper, and continue stir frying.
Then turn off the heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons of miso and 1/2 teaspoon Japanese rice vinegar and mix everything together well.
Why do you turn the heat off first?
Miso can lose some of its delicate flavor with high heat.
Okay. So you mix it using just the residual heat. I see. So miso is sensitive. Like me before my first coffee in the morning.
Exactly, like you before your coffee.
Yeah, indeed. And now bok choy is next.
Yes, this is optional, but it's nice to add something green for color and freshness. Make a cross slit at the bottom of the bok choy and wash the leaves.
And then boil for about 1 minute and transfer to cold water to keep the bright green color. And we squeeze out the excess water and then cut them into bite-sized pieces.
As an alternative to bok choy, spinach can work well too.
Okay. So now we boil the noodles, stirring with chopsticks so they don't stick together.
Here, I'm using Chinese noodles called chukamen, available at Japanese grocery stores. But honestly, I also love using udon noodles for this dish. Just follow the package instructions for cooking time.
And meanwhile, let's make the soup. We mix together 1/8 cup of Japanese noodle soup base called mentsuyu, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of cold water, and 1 tablespoon of tahini.
Some people may prefer to use soy milk instead of regular milk, and also white sesame paste instead of tahini.
Okay, so basically, you can use what you have for this dish.
Yes, no tantanmen judgments here.
Yes, good. That's always reassuring when I'm cooking.
Then add Japanese chili oil called ryu. If you like it spicy, feel free to add more.
And pick up a noodle to test if it's ready, and if so, then drain them and add to the soup. Arrange the meat mixture nicely in the center, and then place the bok choy around the meat. Wow, it already looks like I'm in a ramen restaurant.
You can make an extra amount of this meat and miso mixture and add on the tofu steak that we introduced last week.
Sounds delicious too.
Cold tantanmen is one of my favorite dishes to order at ramen restaurant during the summer, but if you prefer, you can also heat the soup and enjoy it hot.
So it's good any time of the year, hot or cold.
Yes, but as we have just added the noodles in the soup, we should eat it now.
Itadakimasu!
Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!